for your future using. Okay. And
Right.
also we may send you this USB disk, but do not put any other files inside of it. This one is used for recovery the system. Okay.
All right.
And some basic parts like this. With this wire, as you can see, there is a flat one and a round one. And we have made it clear that the flat one should be parallel to the ground in order to insert it. You can give some force to it. That is the correct way to show this. Okay. And
Right.
now,
Also, Yuri, one question. Near the plug,
yeah, go ahead.
we have like you have like something, a metal socket or something like that. What is that for?
This one
No, no, no. In the plug,
or
the
this
wire.
one?
That's it.
This one?
Yes.
Yeah. It is used to connecting some voltage balance wire if
Got
you
it.
have other machines working together.
All
But
right.
now we do
The
not
yellow
need this.
one. The yellow
Yeah,
one that you sent. Yeah.
the green and the yellow wire
All
we
right.
send to you. Yeah. Okay. So
Right.
let's come back to this page.
Right.
And you can see here, we have the different interfaces, at least the USB portals. Can you see it? Yeah, okay. USB portals and the HDMI for extra screen. And this is the LAN wire. You can connect the DCOM wire to the PAX system via this. And this
Right.
is the audio and this is the microphone. Okay. All right. Now let's go to this. Okay.
Right.
Let's focus on the working panel here. Okay.
Macho, no puedo.
Sorry, Maria.
No,
Sorry, I have any problem.
she's having
And
problems.
I can see you.
Uh,
Joder.
I'm
okay,
recording.
okay.
Don't worry, Maria. Don't
Okay,
worry.
thank you.
Okay, so no worries. We just introduced some basic interfaces. Now we will focus on the working panel first. Okay. Now let's go back to the main page. Normally, when you start after starting the machine, you will go to this page, and you can select the probe you want. For example, today we prepare the convex and the linear. And for the linear, there are the main presets here. And all these presets, you can DIY by yourself about its parameters and its name. Okay, so let's choose the carotid first. Now we enter into this page. Normally for the doctor, the diagnosis, the first step is to create a profile for the patient. And so we have this cutoff key here, the patient. We press it. And please check here, you can type in the name, the age, the gender, and other informations. So just to give an example using this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
this is
like this.
we always do this before starting. We normally record the name and
Yes.
okay. Okay.
Yeah. So I will continue, okay? And we
Right.
press confirm, and you will find the patient information here. And this is the checking parts and the probe's name, okay? Then for the next step, we are going to do the scan for the patient. Then normally for adjusting the image of parameters, the first one is about the TGC. It's a 10 gun control. Let me show you.
Right.
If I put it to the leftmost, as you can see, it will be completely dark. But to make a contrast, if I move it to the rightmost, it will be showing like this. And besides this, we normally set it like this, but we can change it accordingly, according to different checking organs. And the another is here. We can swindle this button. As you can see, the gain will be increased as well. Then the image will become brighter or it can become darker.
Right, perfect.
So this is the basic measure to change the gain. So besides this, let's focus on this part. Well, the first is about some basic like the 2B and the 4B model. Let me show you the 2B first. 2B means that there are two pictures on the screen, and 4B means 4. For example, if I choose 2B and I press the update, then I will get the two pictures. This model is used to check the symmetric organs like the left and the right kidney to make a comparison of them. Then for the 4B, I think the obstetric doctor may know this. And for the 4B, as you can see, there will be 4 pictures. And this is used to check the AFI, this parameter. So I just want to show you that we have these functions, okay?
Yuri, if I want to get
Yeah.
the images, I have to press the button for each picture, for each image, or not. If I press the 4B, you were
Let me
pressing
show
the
you.
4B button. Right. Each time
Yeah.
that you press, a new image appears.
Sir, it will be like this. Let me show you. Now this is
Yeah.
4B, and now we get the first picture, right?
Right.
And I have to, if I have get a good image for the first one, maybe for
Right.
the uterus, and we press update,
Right.
we'll move to the second, but the first one will be freezed directly. It will be freezed.
Okay. Right.
Okay, and if the second is good, then we press update to the third, and finally to the fourth. Okay, as you can
Okay.
see,
Perfect.
these 3 are freezed, but this one is in the real time.
All right. Perfect.
And it's the same for the 2B. Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
So
Okay.
let's back to the common B mode. We also have other options like we can zoom. As you can see, it has been zoomed, and the magnify value will be shown here.
All right.
And the maximum is about 10, I suppose. Yeah, it's 10, and we can also back to the normal 1.0. Okay.
So to get back to the normal, you press again. You press zoom until you reach the maximum. All right.
Yes, but also we can select other. Let me show you. If this now here, if we want to back to normal, we can press exam again and choose the checking part, and it will back to normal directly. It's another way. Okay.
Okay. Is the same in all the preset programs? If you press in musculoskeletal preset parameters, is the same? It works exactly the same. If you go to the first menu, the first one that you press where you have to choose the pros, that's it. And if you choose here musculoskeletal, because we are going to work mainly with that, musculoskeletal, that's it. Is the same?
Here.
Yeah, it's
Which
exactly.
is the same? You mean the parameter or the zoom?
Yeah, the device, it will work the same. The 4B, the 2B, the zoom.
Yeah, it will be
Okay,
the same.
perfect.
It will be the same. Yeah. So
Perfect.
I know. So today you want to focus on MSK, right?
Yeah,
Musculoskeletal.
beta.
Yeah. Okay. So we will focus on here then. Okay. And so let's just do some basic steps for the diagnosis, and but in order to change the parameters, as you can see, it's a portable one. The first on the left side there is gain, depth, angle, and focus. And in order to change them, you have to press here. As you can see, it will move. Then you can change them accordingly.
Right.
By bundling this. For example, now it's steps. And let me show you. By bundling, then it's different. So This is just for the example, and there are other parameters like the frequency, the dynamic range, and this speckle reduction image, special compound, and edge enhancement. And in order to move this menu, press the down arrow here. Then we will go to the different menus.
Right.
So that's the basic using guidance for changing these parameters. So okay, then
Yeah.
for the other side, it will be some calculation. We press the CAL. It's just for the specialty calculation, and for different probe, it has different. It has the different.
Right.
For example, like this, the IMT.
I,
Yeah.
I have no idea what is that, but it looks very nice.
I will
What?
show you. No worries. I will show you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
But my pleasure. But though it's not for the musculanto, but I can show you how it works.
Great.
Okay. And so let's come to the image part. The first is about. Let me go to. So if we want to get the IMT, we should choose a paratoid. This one will be better. So let me give you an example first.
Great. You are in your neck right now, don't you?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Can you see this?
Yeah.
Can you? Okay.
The company has to pay you more. You are recording and you are making everything.
Thank you, but I can call my college if I have trouble. But so far we are very busy about this. So
Don't worry.
sometimes I have to do it alone.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. And now this is the carotid, and this is the IMT. I don't know if you can see it clear. There is a very bright line here. So I just want to give you an example. So this is the posterior wall, I suppose. And then, as you can see, it has been calculated directly with the metrics on it. And this is the measurement. Okay, so this is the IMT.
And what is that?
Okay,
Sorry,
so
Jerry. What is IMT?
yeah,
What does it mean?
it is intermediate thickness. Um,
Intermediate?
Intermediate thickness of the carotid.
Right. All right.
Yeah. So this is
Grosor de la
IMT, and
gratuidad. Sorry.
Yeah.
yeah, go ahead, sir.
No. I
No, no.
was translating in Spanish because I wasn't sure what you're saying.
Okay. So no worries. And then since we come in, I will show you how to get the report first. Then we can go to the Masculanto. Okay. Then first about the sieve, we press the sieve key. Now you can see the picture has been stored here, with the measurement, and then of course the doctor needs the report. Let's click it. So far we got to the report page. As you may wonder why there is no value, because for getting the value, we need to add the image first here.
Right.
And as you can see, this is here, and we press this arrow to move it here, and we press confirm. Now you can see the calculation, the value will be shown here. And of course, you can do some diagnosis like maybe like sickness, just for example, and we do the preview. Now you can see the image, the auto calculation, and the diagnosis here. Yeah, and you can also print here if you got any reports printer. Okay.
Okay.
So
Does this device has a Wi-Fi connection or not?
Wi-Fi connection so far is unavailable. We only support the wire.
Okay. Great.
Yeah, Yeah, but I can check with the product team about their plan for the Wi-Fi. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is some basic. Sorry. Please allow me to turn off the window. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
María, ¿ahora lo ves bien?
Sí, ahora sí, a través del móvil.
Ah,
Porque con el,
no,
con el ordenador ha sido imposible. Se me cerraba, no me dejaba, vamos, imposible.
hay que cambiar de móvil.
No, no ha sido el ordenador el problema. Pero tengo Apple.
Ah, verdad,
Okay.
No, no va mal, ¿eh?
Okay.
No sé por qué.
Okay.
Ha sido la
Thank you.
conexión.
So, yeah. Okay. So we will continue. Okay.
Sure.
And yeah, and of course, as you can see, we can still take the screenshot screen record by press this key, and as you can see, the blue dot is shining, and then we can play the video we just freeze from but it's too long, I think, because we do it from the first, but we can also set it to the end. This is
So
set
when
end.
when you when you press the freeze button, you always record a video or not?
Uh, now it's not to record, but it has been saved in the machine. But if you want to get the video about this, you have to press the sign and play this video. And then let me show you, press it again. As you can see, the video will be kept here and you can export it.
Okay. Okay. And also you can edit the video. You can cut it or select some images there or
No, sir. For the video, it cannot, but we can set it the frame, like the starting part and the ending part of that, and then you do the record accordingly.
okay.
Okay. So these are some basic for this. Because you want to check the masculinity, so I do not if you want to check the function for the color mode or the pulse wave Doppler.
Oh yeah, you can tell us. Yes, sure.
Yeah. Okay. So let me do this, please. So it's the same. Let me choose the carotid. And I will get it here first. And let me show the color. This is the color mode.
You press in which button?
The CFM.
CFM color. Okay.
Yes. Color flow mode. Yes. And
Flow
also you
mode.
can change
Okay.
its size. Yeah. You can also change its size by press set. The set key. Let me show you.
All right.
Now it will be like this, and you move the trackball. Move the trackball.
All right.
Now you can see it has been reduced. And
Right.
then press set again. Okay. And now next is the PW function, the spectrum. Let me show you. Press it first. Now you will get a sampling matrix. We call it, can you see it? In the middle.
Yeah.
Okay. And you can move the trackball to check. And also you can change its sampling volume. As you can see, there are two parameters here only. And you can change its volume. As you can see, it has been enlarged. And also you can change its angle. You can see it will be more flat. Okay. So
Yeah.
let me change it to, let me change it to a better angle and the okay, normally it will be set like this, and we press update. The update. And this is a 3-wave spectrum. Let me show you, because it will be difficult for me to process. So
Yeah.
yeah. So wait for some time. Let me. Yeah. We can press the update again. Now you can see
Which one?
the original the update. Press update.
All right.
again.
Okay.
Yeah, and now you can see you will back to this page, but the color mode as the original beam mode and the spectrum are on the same time. So we call it triplex. It's for better processing. Yeah, can see it?
Okay.
All of them are moving. And we can also rotate this button to decrease the gain of the pulse wave Doppler to make it more clear.
Right.
Yeah, then finally, we need to get the calculation or get some calculation. And we can choose this, the real-time envelope, which means the auto calculation. Let me show you. It will be like this.
Yeah.
Then we will get the measurements, okay? But because I am talking, so the value may be not that exact.
Right. Yeah. It's a demo. It's okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So that is for the color mode and the PW. So this is some basic steps, but we have other functions. You can find it in our menu, the service menu, or we can send you some guidance video as well. So let's go to the theme of today. You want to check the image of the musculanto?
Yeah. Please. And also
Mhm.
elastography and the panoramic view, that
Mhm.
kind of things. María, tú
I
pregunta
see.
ya lo que quieras.
Yes, I have a question.
Mhm.
A ver, ¿cuál era? Have you the possibility to go back from thumb button?
¿From qué?
Thumb button. You can
Yeah,
move away
yeah.
the image.
Yeah, lo ha explicado. You explained before, but she had a
Vale.
problem with the connection. You press, she's telling you about to return to the original Zoom.
Okay.
So,
Yeah. Original zone. The first, for example, for the zone, for this one, if you want to go back to normal here, you have to press it until you get to the normal. But you can also select the probe here. And for example, if now I go to the musculanto, now it will come normal directly. Is this the question?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Can you freeze and take photos and measures at full screen?
Madam, which part for the musculanto, the image?
yeah, normally, no, with the probe one, with the curve one, no, with the ¿o qué sonda? With the other one.
No, la sonda me da igual, que si puede tomar capturas y medidas en la pantalla grande cuando tú amplías.
Yeah, we don't care in which mode, but she's asking if she could freeze with the full screen or with a panoramic view or something like that. With the full screen, can she freeze that image?
The panoramic will
I don't
like
know if
panoramic
panoramic
image.
or with a full screen. You can see the image. You can see it bigger in a full screen or
Ah,
not,
I see.
and
I
take
see. So
measures.
and take measures when you have the screen there. Can you measure things there?
like this.
Yeah, I imagine. I
Yes.
have an idea. Is that the if that is it that the biggest screen?
Oh yes, we can press here. Then we will get the full screen.
Yes,
Here?
but if you are in full screen, can you take measures there?
Okay. Let me choose. Let me choose. Give me some time, please. No. For the full screen here, as you can see, only in this screen the measurement can be shown, but not in the full screen.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
So you once that you get the measurements, you can make the screen bigger, but you cannot measure with the screen big. Is that right?
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Okay.
Because it will be freeze directly if you press the
Okay.
calculate.
Okay. And if you want
Okay.
to measure,
So
you have to press always. You press calculate, and then you choose what you want
yeah.
to measure.
Yes, this is for the specialty measurement. Like if for the abdomen probes, you can check the lever of the lens. But we also have another. It's for the we call it caliper. These are some basic measurements like the distance area, angle, or others. There are two ways for the measurement.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Any other questions for this part, or we can move to the musculanto maybe?
Yes, I don't understand very well the buttons of the right. I
The
don't
right,
know
the
how.
buttons
Yes, no, up of there.
up.
This, yes.
Yeah, for sure.
I
Again,
don't.
I know, madam, because you missed the first part.
yeah.
This is we call it the TGC, the temp gain control. Let me show you. It's very easy. For example, if I move it to the leftmost,
Yes.
as you can see, there will be no light here or no brightness here. But to make a contrast, if I move it to the rightmost, let me show you. This is the rightmost. As you can see, the brightness is different. Uh, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. It's about the brightness, and also we have the B button here.
Es la
We can
ganancia, ¿no?
also change its brightness.
Okay.
TGC
Okay, so
is total gain control, or what does it mean? TGC.
time gain control or total gain control, both will be
Total gain
okay
control.
because it's a gain control. Yeah.
And it's the lowest is the deepest. The lowest
Yeah.
button is the deepest
The
one.
lowest. Yeah, the lowest for both lowest for TGC and the B button.
Uh,
Now it's 0. The lowest is 0.
okay.
Okay. Okay. Any other questions, Maria and then Miguel?
Yeah, of that last part, if you move each button of the right button, those we are talking about, yeah, the lowest button of over there, if you move to the screen, it has a relationship with the lowest part of the screen. You know what I mean? So if you move up to down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, let me show you. Now it will be much clearer if I show you like this.
Yeah. Oh, okay, that's it.
Yeah, do you mean this?
Yeah, I mean that.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, my pleasure. Any questions, Maria, for this part?
No, thank you.
Okay,
You can
so how
continue.
about let's go to the musculental part, and of course I need to choose MS key. So sorry, I have to ask my workmate for help. I cannot do it with myself. Give me some
Okay.
time, please. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, sure.
Yeah, thank you.
Si tengo que grabar yo a la vez que estoy dándole a los botones y esto, la madre que lo parió. No sé, pero yo es que no tengo ni pajolera de ecografía. O sea, preguntarle lo que... Tú, María, estás utilizando la lineal y también la convex, ¿no?
Sí, lo poquito que la he utilizado, sí. La convex más que la lineal.
Vale. Y la convex lo hace suprapúbica y por ahí, ¿no? Para ver la vejiga y esas cosas.
Eso es.
Vale. Y hay un programa de obstetricia, ¿no? Algo así me parece, que se puede seleccionar.
Sí, te pone las opciones, sí. Y de abdomen
Vale.
y sí.
¿Y tú qué tienes que medir ahí? La posición de la vejiga y qué
El
más miras otra vez ahí.
volumen, pues el volumen o el volumen residual, luego la distancia entre la diástasis o en rectos, vamos, si la hay o si no la hay.
Vale, pero la diástasis la mides con la lineal, ¿no?
Sí.
Vale. Pues menudo coñazo estar cambiando todo el tiempo de... Podrían sacar una sonda que valiera para todo, ¿no?
Okay. Hello, everyone.
Hello again.
Okay, so we will show you. We will show you the musculental image for this, and I will invite my workmate to hold the one for me, and I hope you can hear me clear.
I thought you had 3 hands, Jerry. Okay.
Yeah, I have three. I have three hands, of course. Maybe I have six. Okay, so normally we will check some maybe the median nerve and some the joints like this, and we can find the muscles and the joints, the capitulum, especially for this image, and we can swindle the probe as well, and so we can check it's in the long longitude section. Here, and for different parts, we may have the different things to check. For example, here in the middle, I think I have shown you in the last video. In the middle, this is a median nerve, and we can swindle the probe to check. As you can see, the linear part will be the muscle, and the one with the high icogenicity is the intermediate nerve. Oh, sorry, it's the median nerve.
Right.
Pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah. If you want, sorry, Jerry, if you want to move the focus, I think you didn't say anything about that. There is a focus.
Yeah, for sure. You can already see the focus here. Right here, this is the focus.
Okay. Thank you very much. And
Yeah, I mean,
how you can move?
Yeah, of course it can be moved. So here, let's choose the focus first. And by this, and then we can swindle here. Let me swindle and show you the screen. Swindle.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think you mean it will be better if I put the focus here, right? so
Yeah.
you can see the better image. Yeah, I know
Okay.
what you mean, sir. Okay.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
also, if you want to see some tandems, I can still try to show you. Okay, the tandems. It's more about the musculoskeletal. So first, it will be the shoulder. Again, I'm not the professional doctor, but we know some knowledge regarding this, so that's why we can show you. Okay. Um, so I suppose it will be like this part.
Mm-hmm. La
Yeah.
colgadera. Mm-hmm.
Yes. And we have to uh, 然后再搞一点。Okay.
Yeah.
We change again to move it more brighter. And now you can see in the middle is a tendon,
Yeah.
right? And yeah, and then let me try to swindle it to check it. Okay, now I will
Okay.
show the screen, the screen, and now you can find the attendance, the
Yeah.
linear one. Yes. So I think that is what you maybe your doctor want to check, right?
Yeah.
The linear. Yeah.
And if you flex your biceps, you flex your elbow.
Yeah, it will be moving like this.
Okay, great.
Okay. And of course, not only for this part. Wait, please. And if I, if I swindle, if I move it, we can check. Sorry, I I forgot what this muscle mean, but I know you will know this.
Subscapular.
Yes. Thank you. Yeah. And there is still another one. Maybe like this.
Mm.
Yeah, I still forgot. Sorry. So I think you may need to check this. And so maybe that is some basic for the musculoskeletal and body's image. So any questions regarding this, or you want to check other functions?
No, I want to. Well, if we wanted to use the elastography here, how
Uh-huh.
what is
Yeah,
the option of the elastography?
here. It's on the working
All
panel
right.
here.
Okay.
And we
Okay.
press it. Now you can see there will be a difference. For the left is a common. For the right, this is the elastic image.
Okay.
And this sample can be moved as well, like this. This is for the elastic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What's that? What's that,
Okay.
Manolo? It's like the echo Doppler. It's like
No, it's to measure the when you have some normally it's used for tumors to see how hard it is. You press with the probe and you see how hard it is, and you see if it's
uh-huh.
good or it's bad. But also a lot of people is using for muscle fibers and see if they are broken, not,
Ah,
or to
okay.
see if if the tissue is elastic or not. I have no
Okay.
idea. I know what it is, but I have no idea.
I didn't see
I know
that.
the
Okay.
but this
Yeah.
is
Okay.
a top function. It's only in this device.
Yeah, yeah.
And the 3D
Okay.
model and 4D model, Jerry, that I saw there.
But I cannot show you today because 3D and 4D is for the 4D probe only. The 4D
Okay,
probe, like, yeah, we can check if there's any deformation of the fetus face in the obstetric.
but I thought that Sisley told me that also this linear probe or the convex one, you could make like a 3D. Okay, the software will prepare like a 3D image or something like that. No, without the 3D probe. Is that possible, or I misunderstand her?
Uh, Yeah, for the probe, for the 4D function, because this is a P6, I suppose the device evolves the P6, not P60, because then there
Okay.
is no, yeah, there's no module here, and the 4D probe is mainly for the fetus feet, to checking the fetus. Yes.
So it's for another model. Okay.
Yeah. The only difference
P60.
between them
Okay.
is about the 4D. Yeah.
Okay. And 4D, which is the fourth dimension of the because I know the 3 dimensions, but the 4D
Yeah.
is in
The
live
4D,
view
the
or
4D. Yeah, the 4D means there will be a time goes by. The time goes by.
okay.
So
So you
it's real time.
you can see the
Real
move.
time.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, you can see the movement of the fetus. So that's 4D.
Okay. What else?
I think for the go ahead, Maria, please.
Yes. Can you translate the image to other screen? Is it possible?
Translate.
Yes. ¿Cómo le digo? Como a otra
No
pantalla,
worries, but
to TV or.
I can show you in Espanol, okay?
No. To transfer
no.
Transfer the image
to other screen, to TV screen
a
or
TV.
yes, or on computer or another place.
For sure. We have the HDMI portal here.
Yes, but no Wi-Fi.
No, not Wi-Fi. Not Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Yeah, make sure.
And
so
Jerry, I want to know the buttons that you have. They are TDI and CW.
Oh yeah, for sure. But TDI and the CW is for the cardiac probe only. There will
Okay.
Yeah. There will be no function here. As you can see, I press, but there is no.
Okay, it's
no
only
function.
for cardiac. Okay.
Yeah, only for cardiac.
And the button that said works on your left.
Yeah.
On your
for
left,
iWorks,
the works.
Yeah, this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
iWorks.
for us to check all the patient profiles.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a study data. Yeah.
And the one that said go there to the OPT and PSI.
Yeah, for sure. For the OPT, it's automatic optimization, and if you press
All
it,
right.
yeah, the image will be changed. Optimization. Okay. And for the PSY, let me show. Yeah. For the PSY, it will be shown like this. We will give you some guidance about the because sometimes the doctor may need to give a needle, like if they find some lesion or some nodular of the steroid of the muscle, they may need to give it a needle, and this is
Right.
help you to do the puncture, help you to do the puncture with the needle for the PSY. Yeah.
And also, Jerry, if you want to enhance the image of a needle to make it brighter, is it possible? When you insert a needle and you want to see it with more light, is that possible here?
I know what you mean. Please, let me change it.
Para aumentar el brillo de la aguja.
La aguja. Que se la clave y no lo enseñe.
Cabrón. Y digo yo para que llame al amigo, si no está haciendo nada el amigo.
Oye, el amigo está con el móvil.
Ahora con el...
No quiere que le pinchen.
¿Qué sujeta el móvil?
So you mean
Yeah,
the enhancement of the needle, right? The
I think
enhancement
so.
of the needle.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's not for this machine. We only have the guidance, not the enhancement. The enhancement of the needle is not available for this machine.
Creo que
Okay.
no lo tenía. Enhancement.
Yeah.
Sí, como el destacarlo.
Ajá.
Okay, only a guidance, but you cannot enhance the...
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, but you will find the needle, but it's not enhanced. Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
More questions? I think we have to go. It's almost 1 hour, but Maria has to work. Miguel has to work.
Yeah, I know. So
You have to go
so
home.
I wonder if there's any questions. No, I am not still off work. There are still 2.5 hours to go.
Ah, ¿ya
Okay.
terminaste de trabajar o qué?
No lo sé. No
Ujú.
me he enterado lo que ha dicho.
Creo que ha dicho
Okay.
eso.
Questions? Maria, you want to ask something?
I
Okay.
think that no, but I'm not sure.
We have to try more. Next week
Yes.
we will try with the big one that we are going to have in the
Mhm.
clinic, Jerry, and we will
Yeah.
probably ask you some more questions if possible. And
Yeah, for
also,
sure.
if Maria has some questions, we will call you again.
Mhm. Yeah, no problem. Feel free to contact us in the group. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
my
you so
pleasure.
much.
Yeah. My
See you.
pleasure.
Nice to
Have
meet
a
you.
good day.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye. See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ciao,
Bye.
See
ciao.
Thanks
you.
so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.